Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio GShock DW5900. Anyway, if you want to know more about this cool watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first make sure you are in the timekeeping mode, and this is how it looks. But anyway, if you're in the other mode, just press the mode button until it gives a high-pitched beeping sound. That one, and it will show the hour, minute, second, and on top of that is the day and date. Okay, now press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one. And yes, the second is flashing or blinking. So now we will start by setting the length of the afterglow effect for the backlight. And to do that, press the light button, this one, on the top right. So now you can see that the icon for the backlight, this one is small, meaning 1.5 seconds for the afterglow. And this one is the large one, meaning 3 seconds for the afterglow effect. Okay, next we can reset the second by pressing this one, the start button. If the second is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. So this one, 20, 21, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, next press the mode button. And now is the city or the time zone. And you can change using these two buttons. So this one will move to the left side of the map, the light button, okay? And you can use the start button to move to the right side of the map. Like this, okay? And then next, press the mode button. And we are moving to the setting of the daylight saving. So for this one, you can use the start button to change the value. So now it's off and now it is on, okay? And yes, you cannot use the light button to change that one. Okay, next press the mode button, and now is the hour. For this one, you can use the light and start button to change the value. Light button will decrease and start button will increase. Okay, again press the mode button, and now we are setting the minute. And yes, you can use these two buttons also. So the light button will decrease and start button will increase. Okay, again mode button. And now is the time format. So this one is 24-hour format, and you can use the start button to change the format. And this one is the 12-hour format, so 9 p.m. Also the same as 21. Okay, press the mode button, and now is the year. You can use these two buttons to change the value. So again, light will decrease and start will increase. And then press again the mode button, and now is the month, November 11. So yes, these two buttons, same thing. And then again, mode button, and now is the date. You can use the light button to decrease and the start button to increase. And yes, now press again the mode button and return to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the setting for the time and also the calendar and also the backlight, time format and so on, you can press the adjust button on the top left, and done. You have already finished the basic setting for your watch, Casio GShock DW5900. Anyway, I will also make a more detailed version, but that will take some time, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.